Hello there guys, from this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing diary effect and this entire infographic in just a few steps. If you want this free template, you can ask for me in the comments and I'll send you this free template link in the comments below. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna insert around a kind of rectangle right here like this. Then what you have to do is just remove its outline, give it a shadow. Then what we're going to do is go to gradient, use 2 gradient stops to be exact. For the top one, let's just give it a darker color. For the upper one, we're going to go with a lighter brown. Let's just duplicate this and change its color to white and decrease its size a bit. Give it a shadow. Here we go. After giving the shadow, what you have to do is just put another circle right here, remove its outline, change its fill to dark brown. Then we're just gonna insert this rectangle right here, go to a gradient, we're gonna give it a silverish gradient. So here we go. Then we're just gonna group it. The next thing you have to do is just put these shapes, duplicate them, put them into the middle and center. Then we're just gonna make up a pencil using 3 rectangles with different gradients. Then I'm putting like a triangle on top. Here we go. Let's just change this fill to a lighter brown. Here we go. Let's just then what we're gonna do is just insert an arrow right here like this. Then let's insert a round rectangle right here and a straight rectangle. Change this fill to white, put it right here. Then we're just gonna insert our text box in which we're gonna type our text. Let's just insert our content text. Let's just put it right here like this. Then insert a circle right here. Now what you have to do is just make a shadow using this. We're gonna give it like a silverish gradient. Then we're just gonna put it with this shape right here on it. And make sure that we merge it using subtract option. Here we go. Now let's just add our text. Duplicate all of those things and just put them downwards, making them 4. Now let's change the colors in the text. Here we go. Make sure that you're changing the colors. And then we're gonna put icons. So yeah, after doing everything, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.